In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change answers in TurboTax. If you need to correct something in your tax return, update a detail, or simply go back and revise an earlier response, TurboTax makes that process fairly straightforward. The key is to move carefully, since even a small change can affect your tax calculations, deductions, or refund amount. To get started, log into your TurboTax account and open your tax return. Once you're inside the return, head to the section that contains the answer you want to change. This could be an income section, a deductions area, personal information, or another part of the return. If you're not completely sure where the answer is located, take your time and look through the menu or summary areas until you find the right topic. When you reach the correct section, click the option that says Edit, Revisit, or Update next to that topic. TurboTax may use slightly different wording depending on the part of the return you're viewing, but the purpose is the same. It allows you to go back into that section and make changes. From there, navigate to the exact question you want to change. Move through the interview screens until you find the answer you originally entered. Once you see it, type in your updated answer carefully and make sure the new information is accurate. This is especially important because your return may automatically recalculate based on what you enter. After updating the answer, click Continue to save your changes and move forward. TurboTax will usually refresh the related tax information automatically, so after continuing, review any updated tax calculations or your refund amount. This gives you a chance to see whether the change had a small or significant impact on your return. If you have other answers to fix, simply repeat the same process for each one. Go back to the relevant section, open it with Edit, Revisit, or Update, find the question, and enter the corrected response. Working through one change at a time can help you avoid mistakes and keep everything organized. Once you've finished updating all the answers you need to change, continue with the rest of your tax return. Make sure you review the remaining sections as usual, so everything is complete and consistent before moving on. Thanks for watching.